Okay. Welcome to Lifestyle Victoria's Math section. You're humbly welcome. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. If today is the first time you're joining this live stream math section, you're welcome. You're in the right place for puzzle lovers. Yeah, puzzle lovers are here. Thank you. Thank you very much. This evening, today's puzzle is still brain twisting. Yeah, we're always twisting our brain. Yeah, that's certain. So I'd like to thank you for joining. Excuse me, if you're here, that means you love puzzle, you love maths. Yeah, if you're here, it means you really love maths. And maths is very interesting. Maths is not boring. Maths is interesting. Yeah, if you know, you know, maths is interesting. I always tell people not to be afraid of maths. So this is a maths challenge. It's a maths challenge. Yeah. So how are you? How did you spend your day? Okay. I hope your day was wonderful. It was interesting. Very okay. So the math puzzle is here. The math puzzle might look as if it's a multiplication. Yeah. At the first glance, you look at it, wow, this is multiplication. But my dear, sorry to burst your bubble, it's not multiplication. It has series of strings. It has series of strings. It's not just an ordinary multiplication. It's not just an ordinary multiplication. So when you're solving, it has steps. It has steps that you use to solve this maths. You use different steps to solve this maths. At times you have 3 steps. At times you have 2 steps. At times it's a straightforward one-step question. But what we'll have today is a two-step, two-step layer, trickish combo pattern. That's what we'll have today. So I would like you to look at it very well. Please don't rush. I always advise don't rush, because if you rush, you will miss it. Don't rush. Just take your time. Check the question. Look at the answer that I've given. With the help of the answers to the first 4 questions, you'll be able to solve the unknown. Let me repeat myself. With the help of the answers that are given in the first 4 questions, will help you to solve the unknown. Because if you're able to solve and get the answer in number 1 using a particular formula, and you apply the same formula to number 2, apply the same formula to number 3, apply the same formula to number 4, then you're good to go. That means you now know what the puzzle is all about. So that same formula can be applied to 5. Yes, you can apply the same formula to number 5. And once you apply the same formula to number 5, that means your answer is right. So let me take you down what this puzzle is all about and how it looks. So puzzle is really good. Puzzle helps us to reason. Puzzle helps us to reason. Okay, all right, family. If you're joining me for the first time, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, don't rush. Don't rush. I know at times when you see multiplication like this, you just be like, oh, I can do it, I can do it. Yeah, you can do it. No, you cannot get it. Yes, 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 you can do it, but no, you cannot get it. So just don't rush. Yeah, settle down, settle down. Just grab your paper and grab your pen. Clear your mind. Clear your mind. Just take away your mind from the normal arithmetic of 15 times 7. that is supposed to give you an answer. Just take your mind off it. Let me display my face so that you'll see who is behind this puzzle. So as I was saying, just take your mind off the normal arithmetic we normally know. Yeah, normally we'll just times, okay, let me see, 15 times 7, 5 times 7 is 35, you write 5, take 3. Then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3, that's 85. That's the normal arithmetic. Normal arithmetic, 15 times 7 is 85. But right now I'm telling you 15 times 7 is 221. Wow. What's the magic behind that? That's the question you should be asking yourself. Oh, hi Bana. Hi Bana. Good evening. Good evening, Ibana. Thank you for joining me from Malaysia. I remember your Alabama, the Alabama. Okay, the Ibana. Okay, sorry. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's maths. I'm a lover of maths. Yeah, I'm a lover of maths. So I also had maths to my channel. Yeah. Okay, let's go to it. So normally we know that 15 times 7 is 85. That's our normal arithmetic. That's why before I start, I said just remove the normal arithmetic from our mind. Just put it aside. This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle, so it doesn't go with the real arithmetic. Although they will come into play, but don't do it straightforward. You don't need to just go straightforward. Before you put the normal arithmetic into play in this puzzle, you have to identify the pattern of this puzzle. You have to identify the pattern of this puzzle. Is when you have identified the pattern of this puzzle, that's when you'll be able to solve it with the normal arithmetic we normally do. You understand? You will identify the pattern. Once you've identified the pattern, that's when you'll be able to use the multiplication, the division, the addition, the subtraction. That's when those signs will now come into play because you now know the pattern. So first of all, I always advise, yeah, it's very, very interesting. It's very, very interesting. It's just for you to identify the formula that I've used to get this answer. Once you're able to identify the formula, I know it's not easy, fine. That's why I say don't rush, just take it step by step. Yeah, just take it step by step. So once you're able to identify the pattern, you will now use our normal everyday arithmetic into your solving to get your answer. You see? So just grab your paper, your pen, get into work. Yeah, clear your mind because today we are not doing the normal. I would say we are not doing the normal arithmetic. We've never done the normal arithmetic from day one. The step you identify the pattern is after you've identified the pattern, then your normal arithmetic will now come into play. You will now use it. You will now use it. Okay, so this multiplication sign right now, this multiplication sign in green right now, is not telling you the right thing to multiply. It's not. It has a formula. You understand? It has a formula. Not arithmetic series. It's not arithmetic series. You are not doing progressions and all those stuff. No, it's not arithmetic series. This is a puzzle. This is a puzzle with an hidden pattern. The pattern is not shown to you. The pattern is not given to you. It's just like you're trying to convince the people around. People will normally say 15 times 7, like I said, is 85. But I am telling you, 15 times 7 is 221. And with my formula, I will prove to you that 15 times 7 is equals to 221. Am I right? Did you get that? So I will use the pattern, the formula, my hidden rule. I want you to reveal that my hidden rule that I used to get this thing. There is an hidden rule. At a time, after some time, I'll reveal the pattern. Okay. Oh, wow. Good evening there. How are you? Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. This is the mass pattern, oh, mass puzzle. Oh, we are in mass puzzle. Today we are not in the kitchen yet. We are not in the kitchen yet. We are not cooking. Yeah. Today is time for us to learn. We are not cooking today. Okay. So it's over to you. When we do maths, we are always focused when we do maths. We are focused when we do maths. So after this time, after the intro, I'm just going to allow you people to just look at it, solve it, drop your answers. The regulars, they know how we do it. Drop your answers. I will look at it. If there is any question, I'm at the background. I will come up, answer the question. If you drop an answer, I will open. I will just give you that thumbs up that you've done well. Do more. Drop your answers. That's the most important thing. You won't know if you're right until you drop your answer. Yes, once you solve, drop your answer. You can drop as many times as you want. Once you're sure about your answer, you have to drop it because you don't know if that your answer is the answer. You understand? Food for their brains first. We do that every day now. Okay, man, love you today. We do that every day. We do that every day. But now it's time for solving. Yes. This puzzle, puzzle is there to exercise our brain also. You eat food for the brain, you also exercise the brain with things like this. Puzzle like this, they are games. It's a mind game. Puzzle is a mind game. You understand? So after you finish eating, you still need to exercise your brain. Give that your brain that mind game. Give your brain the mind game. Give your mind that mind game. So you understand the mind, the brain will be working. It will be active in a positive way. It will be active, very happy that you're challenging the brain to work, to work and to reason. So that's the essence of this puzzle. When I'm doing puzzle, I always smile. I'm always happy because it makes me to go further. It makes me to think further. You think ahead. You're just like, wow, you're trying to like know what I have in my mind or what I have on my mind. You understand? That kind of a thing. That's what the puzzle is all about. So let me show you people the puzzle so that people can start solving. Let me not talk. Okay, let me show you the puzzle. That's the puzzle. The puzzle is there, ready solved. Yeah, the puzzle is there. Let me set my tripod well. So the puzzle is there, ready to be solved. Now tell me in the chat, is this question correct? Is this question correct? Yeah, I totally agree. Thank you very much for agreeing with me from Malaysia. Thank you. How is Malaysia today? Thank you very much. Okay. So tell me, is this question correct? To some people, it might be wrong. To some, is right. Okay. Let's go on. To be honest, if your thinking is wrong, type wrong. If you think there is a trick, type hidden trick. So from there we'll now know. If you already seen the pattern, don't spoil it. Just type I see it. I don't think you've seen this pattern anywhere. No, because I think calculate and do this puzzle. Yeah, yeah, I do this puzzle myself. I arrange the puzzle myself. So you're in the right direction. Okay, I know most people will try the regular multiplication. It's normal. When you see something like this, the first thing that will come to you, from our nursery, primary, secondary, up to university, we've been taught that 15 times 7 is 85. Yeah, is 85. Now, this madam is saying 15 times 7 is 221. So you can imagine that, okay? So most people will try the regular multiplication, but there is a trap, there is a trick. Yeah. So we'll start guessing regular formulas. It's normal. No offense. You will guess till you will get the right one. That's the truth of it. So whatever formula you've guessed, the answer you've gotten, please put it down. because you don't know if you are right. You don't know if you're right. More especially if you've used that formula to solve this and you arrive at this answer. You solve this, you arrive at this answer, the same here, the same here. Then automatically that formula should give you the answer of this. Yeah, that formula should give you the answer of this, except otherwise. But I'm here. We are going to solve it out. We are going to crack this puzzle. We'll crack the puzzle very well. We'll crack it so that we will all know that the answer is right. We'll know that, yeah, this puzzle is right. Okay? So that's when I know, well, this channel is different. Yeah, this channel is different. Okay, I'm sorry. I just got a call, so I have to I have to look at it. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. Just carry on. I'm here. Yeah. Hi, Manda. Manda, how are you? Good evening from Nigeria. Manda, how are you seeing the puzzle this evening? How are you seeing the puzzle this evening? I hope it's in the right direction. I hope it's in the right direction. Okay, I'm coming. Let me not get a divided attention. Let me finish with this lady, then I'll come back. Trying to find a pattern where maybe there is no pattern. There is pattern. There is pattern. Hello, Patrick. Hello, Sam Kello. Thank you for joining me. Okay, you think the answer is 30? Okay, no problem. Oh, I told you we are not doing the normal arithmetic at a stretch. Yeah, I told you that. I just mentioned that. It has a formula. You use the formula. Once you've gotten the formula, before you can now apply the our normal arithmetic to it. But if you just give me normal arithmetic of 6 times 5 is 30, then you are not doing it the right way. You're not doing it the right way. Hello, Patrick. Okay, thank you for joining me. The puzzle is still on. You're just 27 minutes into the puzzle. So more answers, more answers. Please give this video a thumbs up. Give this live stream a thumbs up here. Okay, thank you. So okay. How far? How is this puzzle going? How is this puzzle going? It's an easy puzzle. I'm surprised I've not seen any answer. Why? Why? People should drop your answer. It's simple. Okay, if that's that, do you want me to drop the answer now? Or I should drop the formula? If you want me to drop the formula, say formula. Hmm? If you want me to drop the formula, tell me so that I'll drop the formula so that it will be easier for you people to solve. Yeah? Okay, so 15 times 7 normally is 85, but right now I'm saying 15 times 7 is 221. Then 9 times 3, like 9 times 3 is what? Hey, look at me too now. Hmm? It's supposed to be 27. 9 times 3 is supposed to be 27. I'm telling you, 9 times 3 is 55. Then 2 times 12, that's supposed to be 24. I'm telling you, is 92. So 3 times 7, that's supposed to be 21, is now 65. So what would be the answer to 6 times 5? 6 times 5, there's supposed to be 30, something else now. So I want people to identify the pattern. Yeah, identify the pattern. It's not difficult. Identify the pattern. Yeah. Yeah, drop your answers. Let me see. Let me see. So I'm still waiting for more answers. I'm still waiting for more answers there. More answers. Yeah. Okay, thank you for joining me. This puzzle time, stretching of brain. Puzzle time, reasoning time. Puzzle time, reasoning time. So let me wait for your answer so that we can start discussing. We have to interact to solve this puzzle. It's like this puzzle is really, I don't know what to say. I'm not seeing any answer. Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are the puzzle lovers? Please come. Let's do this puzzle together. I'm waiting. Puzzle lovers, show yourself now. Show yourself now. Don't be confused. Don't be confused. Please just have that confidence that you can solve it and drop the answer. Pick your pen and paper and start solving right now. I'm waiting for your answers. Later. Okay. So, how are you finding this puzzle? How are you finding this puzzle? Yeah. I hope it's not difficult. I hope it's not difficult. I'm not seeing answer. Is it my screen or it's difficult? That's why I'm not seeing answer. Okay. Let me know what's keeping us. What's keeping us? So thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Let me know why we are not getting any answer. It's unlike my puzzle lovers. It's unlike my puzzle lover. Why am I not seeing any answer? Why am I not seeing any answer? Why? Please drop your answers. Drop your answers. I don't know to solve this. Wow. Mm-mm. This is not encouraging. Okay. Give me those thumbs up. Oh, let me see I'm going to show you the solution now. I'm not pleased. I'm not pleased. What is happening? What is happening? Hmm? What is happening? Let me see your answers, please. Drop your answers. Please solve. Drop your answers. Hmm? Hmm? So, how are we finding this puzzle right now? How is the puzzle going? How is the puzzle going? Let me know. Is it easy or is hard? Or you want me to conclude? I should reveal the answer. Should I reveal the answer? Yeah. Should I reveal the answer? Let me know. Tell me if I should reveal the answer, then I'm going to do so. Is it time for answer? Hmm? Should I reveal the answer? I've been waiting. The answers are not dropping like before. What's happening today? Why the cold feet today? Why? Why the cold feet today? Hmm? So let me know. Okay, let me show you your mat. Let me show you your mat before I start dancing. This evening is not impressive. What a Friday. Is it the question? Is it the question? Let me know. Tell me what is the problem. Hmm? The problem is it with the question? I don't understand. What is happening? I'm not seeing that vibe. I'm not seeing that my puzzle vibe. Why? Why? I'm not seeing that. What is happening? Let me in, let me in, let me in. Let me in so that we'll know if it is to drop the answer, if it is to solve it, or I should just solve the first one and allow you people to carry on from there. What do you want? I should solve the first one. I should solve the first one, then you will now use the formula to solve the unknown. Is that how we want it? Is that how we want it? Let me show my face better. Is that how we want it? Yeah. If I keep it like this, my puzzle this thing will be out of shot. Okay, I will arrange it again when I'm ready. So how do people want it? I should drop the formula. Then from there you will take it up. Okay. So let me write the formula. I've already solved it somewhere. So let me put down the formula. Where am I going to put down the formula? Okay, let me put the down at the bottom. Okay, hint, hints, bracket A plus 2, then bracket 2B minus 1. Hint, use this. Okay, have done what you want me to do. Sorry, so let me take it back to the question. Then the hint is there. Just use the formula to solve it, then you're good to go. Let's look at it now. Okay, let me take it down. So use this. Okay, let me take this, use this side for you. Okay, let me see the answers now. Use this formula and give me the answer. Let me not stress my people. Let me not stress you. So give me the answer. Let the answer start popping, popping, popping like wine. Let the answer start popping like wine. Let's pop. Today is Friday, stress free. Today should be movie night, so it will be puzzle night. You see, I'm not making my puzzle night to be interesting. The puzzle morning even is more interesting than this one. Oh, okay. I've dropped the pattern, the formula. So use this formula, impute the numbers. So this is A and this is B. So they are in this sequence. So A and B. Them in. You can imagine this thing is not flowing because of the question. People are not making me to be happy this morning, this evening. Hmm? Hmm? They're not making me happy. Okay, I've dropped it. So let me see how it goes. Let me mute my mic. Let me see how it goes. Yeah. Take it over from here. Hello, Robert Lawrence. Thank you for joining me. Good evening, Robert. Thank you for joining me. Victoria, Nicoletta, Victoria, thank you. You said, I don't know to solve this. Okay, I've just dropped the formula. 6 plus 5 is 11. Adding the first no 5, so 115 no. So how is this possible? I'm Jew. Okay, sorry, Christine. Okay, have dropped the formula. I feel with the formula it will be easier. It will be easier for you people. Okay, so just take a look. Okay, Lawrence, Robert, thank you for joining me. Thank you very much. Saba Galazi, thank you for joining me. Okay, it's like this is not working. This aren't working. So let me just allow it to get to 2 hours. Then I think I will call it a day so that we'll now put our mind and our strength for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be doing a live stream with things in the morning, what I used to do in the morning as a mother, as a working mother, my routine, my Saturday routine. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to share my Saturday routine with you people. So let's just do this puzzle. Once it gets dark, I'll stop this puzzle. Yeah. Once it gets dark, I will stop this puzzle so that I will channel my energy to my tomorrow's morning live stream. Yeah. So right now, I'm in the office at home. I'm in my house office at home. So I'll start putting I'll just gather things back to my room. You understand? So that is that. So this evening puzzle isn't giving. You people are not making me proud. You're not making me proud. Why? Why? Mm-mm. It shouldn't be this. I've dropped the formula. I've dropped the what will I call it, the pattern I've used, the step I've used to get the answer. I expect you people to start dropping your answers too. Yeah? Expect you people to start dropping your answers, you understand? So I'm gradually packing my things. Yeah, still watching you. If there will be a change. If no change, then we'll call it a day. Yeah, if no change, we'll call it a day. A day to go. Let me gather my things. Call my daughters to come and help me carry my things to the house. If you help me just lift these things to the house. Okay, so let me do the last one. So this is you said a plus 2, a is 15, so 15 plus 2 equals 17. Yeah, so you now do it like this again. Take the next formula, 2b is 2 times 7 minus 1. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. So we'll now go to the next step. The space is too small. So the next step is 17 times 13. That's how we got 2, 2, 1. So that's that for the first one. So the second one will be like this. A is 9. So 9 times 2 equals 18. So we'll go to the next one. 2b is 2 times 3 minus 1. So it's now 18 times, this times this, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. So 18 times 5, 5 times 8 is 30, 35, 40. So it's 40. Abi? Ah, you've gone with my book. Oh. Now I'm finding it difficult. Come, carry your things, carry your things. So 2 times 8 is 2 times 9 is 18. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 times 8 is 40. You write 4. How did I do this one that I got 55? You see, now your teacher has failed though. So you write 0, carry 4. 5 times 1 is 5, so it's 90. So maybe it's a mistake. It's a mistake. I'll still check it. I'll still check it. You see, that's why I always say the teacher is not always right. So it's for you to check and solve. But it's a pity that today's puzzle, this evening puzzle, didn't go well. Okay, so sorry. So this other one is A is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then you now bracket 2 times 12 minus 1. No, 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 it's not times. Sorry, this is where I made the mistake. Oh, sorry, it's not times. So 2 plus 9. Sorry. 2 plus 9 is 11. And people didn't tell me. 2 plus 9 is 11. You see, now I got the answer now. 2 plus 9 is 11. Then this aspect is 5. 11 times 5 is 55. So I was right. I was saying times while is plus. Sorry. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Is plus. So this thing is plus. That's why I like putting the formula on top. So 2 plus 2 is 4. This times is so 4 times 2 times 12 is 24. 24 minus 1 is 23. So 23 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. You put down 2, carry 1. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9, 92. So here is 55. So my answer was right. Instead of plus, I was doing multiplication. That was why I got it wrong. I got a little bit distracted because my daughter was talking to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. So let's go to the next one. So the next one is a plus 2. So a is 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then we'll check this one. Here is 2b. So 2 times 7 minus 1. So here is 5. 5 times, this is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. So 5 times 13. 5 times 3 is 15. You write 1, carry 1. Write 5, carry 1. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. So this is 65. So this one is correct too. So let's go to the baba, the unknown that we want to solve. So a is 6. So 6, sorry, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then 2 times 5 minus 1. Let me do it here. So 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Equals to 8. Then you multiply 2 times 5 minus 1. So 8 times 2 times this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So 9 times 7 should be 72. Am I right? This is 72. So that's our answer. Our answer is 72. It's like this evening puzzle is a bit difficult. It's like the evening puzzle is a bit difficult. We have to solve more, solve more. We don't have to be stagnant with one kind of maths or particular maths. I know so many people, they must have gone to Google to check, but this one beat them. He beat them. Oh, he shock you. The thing will just humble you. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. So let me give you some time. Let me give you some time, to check it. Yeah, give you some time to check it. Yes, you check it and see if it's okay. Let me check and see if it's okay. That's how math is. When you solve, you just calm down and look at it. I nearly got confused because I was talking. Oh, it's not good to talk while you're solving math. It's not good to talk. So who is this? Hello, hello, I remember you. I remember you. Somebody is writing 72. You're right, you're right. Samba Galazi. Samba Galazi, you're right. Yeah, thank you for dropping the right answer. You are just okay with this person. Uh, Kurumuta. Kurumuta too got it, 72. Louis said, do you remember? I remember you. Yes, this morning you said from UK. Yeah, you said you're watching me from UK. Hello, hello, hello. I remember you. I remember you. You're a darling. Thank you for joining me again. Yeah, it's good to see you once again. But all the same, it's like you like my other live stream than this one because even in the morning you didn't drop an answer. This evening you've not dropped an answer. No problem. So tomorrow morning we are going to prepare a special dish tomorrow morning. So I will carry people along here. I will take people along so you will see how I spend my Saturday routine. So, but now, right now, we are talking about this puzzle. So let me allow people to go through because I was a bit carried away. That was why I got this thing wrong. I was like, it's multiplication, but later I now looked at it. I said, what's happening? That's not supposed to be the answer. So I had to make the correction. That's why you can see that black spot. So That is that. Let me allow you people to enjoy the solution. I've unveiled the answer. I've unveiled, even when I dropped the formula, people didn't look at it. I don't know what's happening today. Is it because of Friday night? You people want to go out? Okay, no problem. We'll stop here. I just want people to just go through the answer, just go through the answer and understand what really happened. So thank you very much once again for joining me wherever you're watching me from, my global puzzle lovers from all around the globe. So thank you very much for joining me. Hope to see you again tomorrow in full force. Hope to see you again tomorrow in full force. It's like some people, that's it's like people don't like multiplication that much. They like the easygoing maths, addition and all those stuff. So no problem, tomorrow, God's willing, that will come into play. So right now, just familiarize yourself with what is there. Just look at the solution, what I've done, how I arrive at the answer, the formula and all those stuff. So just check them, and get used to it. Yeah. Even me, I'm laughing now. I was solving, got distracted. I got the wrong answer. It was later, and now like, wow, where are you going to? It's not supposed to be like this. So I came back, did the right thing. So thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate you. So see you again tomorrow. Bye bye. My next coming up is to stop the live stream. Let me allow you to enjoy yourself for a while. Bye bye. From me, Lifestyle with Torias. Bye. See you tomorrow.